Hello, researchers! Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever finished your research proposal only to have your supervisor ask which theory supports your study? At that moment, many students panic because they don't know where to find the right theory or how to justify it. The good news is that you don't have to spend days searching through hundreds of research papers. With AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, SciSpace, Consensus AI, and Google Scholar, you can identify the most suitable theory for your research in a structured and efficient way. In this video, I'll show you the complete process using one research topic. Let's get started. By the end of this video, you'll learn what a research theory is, why every thesis needs a theory, how to find the best theory using AI, how to justify your chosen theory in your research proposal. So first, what is a research theory? Before searching for a theory, let's understand what a theory actually is. A research theory is a set of ideas that explains why or how a relationship exists between variables. For example, suppose your research topic is impact of social media on youth. Your study examines how social media affects students' academic performance. A theory explains why this effect happens, not just that it happens. Think of a theory as the scientific foundation of your research. Without a theory, your conceptual framework lacks academic support. The difference between theory, model, and framework. This is where many students get confused. Let's simplify it. Theory explains why something happens. Example, social learning theory explains that people learn by observing others. Research model shows the relationship between variables. Example, social media usage, mental health, academic performance. Conceptual framework, a customized version of the research model designed specifically for your own study. So remember this simple rule. Theory explains. Model connects. Framework applies. This one sentence will help you remember the difference forever. Now open ChatGPT and type, "Suggest the most suitable theories for the topic Impact of Social Media on Youth," and explain why each theory is relevant. AI may recommend uses and gratifications theory, social learning theory, stimulus-organism response theory, media dependency theory, technology acceptance model for technology-related studies. Don't choose a theory immediately. Instead, create a shortlist. Now open Google Scholar, SciSpace, Consensus AI. Search Impact of Social Media on Youth, Uses and Gratifications Theory, or Social Media Academic Performance Theory. Open recent research papers. Ask yourself, which theory appears most frequently? How did previous researchers apply it? Is the theory relevant to my variables? Always support your choice with published evidence. Once you've selected a theory, ask ChatGPT, write an academic justification for using uses and gratifications theory in the study Impact of Social Media on Youth. AI will generate a professional explanation. Now, refine it by asking, rewrite in academic language. Make it suitable for a master's thesis. Add logical reasoning. Remember to verify the explanation with published studies before adding it to your thesis. Now, connect everything together. For example, theory, uses and gratifications theory. Down, independent variable, social media usage. Down, mediator, mental health. Down, dependent variable, academic performance. This alignment makes your research more logical and academically sound. Avoid these mistakes. Choosing a theory because ChatGPT suggested it. Copying a theory from another thesis without checking relevance. Using multiple unrelated theories in one study. Forgetting to explain why the theory fits the research. not citing the original theory source. Always verify AI-generated suggestions using peer-reviewed research papers. Now you know how to find, verify, and justify the best theory for your research using AI. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your classmates. In the next video, we'll learn how to write a literature review with AI and organize research papers in a professional way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.